JMU really has a culture of getting involved and helping out, and very service-oriented school I found when I was going here. We've got a class of 7th and 8th graders from Wetzel Middle School. We've got about 15 volunteers from JMU, and we've also got a small team of Friends of the Rappahannock staff. So we're here in Madison County, Virginia. We are about a mile away from the Robinson River on a small tributary of the river, installing a riparian buffer.
The basic idea is to fence off all the streams on the farm to keep the cattle out. And in order to do that, we have to provide watering tanks for the cattle. So now that the streams have been excluded, we can plant trees.
We're planting trees because when you plant trees near bodies of water, that has huge impacts on the quality of the water in that body and downstream. If you can install a forested area around a wetland or a moving body of water, the riparian buffer acts as a filter and a buffer, keeping pollutants coming off the land.
You know, you go through these things in the classroom, you test students on it, they still don't internalize it. But if they can come out here and spend a couple hours and get their hands dirty, then they're going to remember this.